Hello, I'm Shiva, mentoring FireVisor systems as part of NetApp Accelerator Cohort 9. At NetApp, I lead an extremely talented engineering organization, developing SAN and NVMe storage solutions, and make enterprise operations simpler through application data management. A fifth of all jobs created in the world are in manufacturing. Factories require an army of human inspectors to make sure no fault escapes the production line. And process control engineers must constantly tweak and monitor machines. Quality loss, which includes process defects and reduced yield, has a huge impact on production line efficiency. When we apply all these challenges to a high volume manufacturing company, it's hard to scale, be consistent and predictive at the same time. In a world of chip shortages and production backlogs, how can we increase the production line efficiency and reduce the quality loss? With a vision of creating self-aware factories powered by their own data, FireVisor AI enable engineers to proactively solve the production line quality issues. With that, I'm excited to introduce Rupi Singh, CEO of FireVisor Systems.
We are FireVisor Systems, and we are creating self-aware factories through artificial intelligence. High-volume manufacturers lose up to 40% of their sales revenue to defective parts. Just the semiconductor and solar industries lose $65 billion every year because of this. So why is it so hard to prevent defects? The first reason is that factories produce terabytes of data, but the only tools engineers have to analyze this data is spreadsheets or basic statistical tools. Engineers end up spending 37% of their time manually cleaning data before analysis can even begin. The second reason is that process control is extremely reactive. Engineers take 3 to 6 weeks to find the root cause of a quality issue while the defective part is still being made in the line. The third reason is that a lot of monitoring that happens on factories today is manual. It becomes extremely hard for line people to identify which are the true versus false alerts. In fact, they deal with up to 40 false alerts per line weekly. So how does our product help manufacturers? FireVisor's AI makes data explorable. It turns factory data into a form that humans can understand. Instead of manual monitoring, we provide cognitive monitoring. Our AI learns how a factory operates and raises alarm if anything abnormal happens. Instead of reactive process control, we aim to provide proactive process control. Because our AI has learned from a factory, our monitoring can help fix faults before they even happen. Now, let me tell you about our product features that enable this. First, we capture quality data through our AI-based defect detection. Next, we make this data explorable on our analytics platform. This is where data from multiple sources is automatically cleaned, organized, merged, and augmented to produce actionable insights. Next, we use all of the data collected to learn and monitor anomalies in the line. Finally, we combine all of this with the root cause analysis of the problem as validated by the line engineer. This allows us to build regression models which predict faults before they even happen. We are the first Singapore company to build an automated AI defect detection and analytics platform for manufacturing. Our defect detection is the best in solar. Our defect analytics is the only one of its kind automated analytics platform that also enables prediction capabilities. Our customers say that we have become indispensable to their line. Our equipment partners say that the results from FireVisor are in another league, and it's unlike anything that they've seen in the market. This is a short clip from one of our customers' factories in India. Before FireVisor, they were struggling with a very high defect escape rate of 14.3%. With FireVisor, that has now reduced to 0.148%. That's a staggering 99% improvement, and it continues to get better. Another one of our customers has a solar factory in Singapore. Before FireVisor, they had to deal with 70% defect data being false. Such high misclassification rates made engineering analysis impossible. Enter FireVisor's platform. We now save them 8,000 in engineering hours and 600,000 in labor and scrap cost every year per line. With the huge value that we create, it is no wonder that we are now analyzing 1.2 million products every single day. Our user growth has been linear and has 10x'd in a year. Our revenue grew by 362% in 2021, and we now serve more than 25 large enterprise customers. Our customer churn has been zero. With the value that we create at each step of the product, our customers don't leave. Manufacturing analytics is an $8.15 billion opportunity, and it's growing at 55% every year. And we are the best team to capture this opportunity. I'm Sudhvi. I'm the co-founder and CEO of FireVisor. I have spent years improving production lines for industry giants like Seagate and Micron. And I have built automation systems that saved 1,000 man-hours and up to 80% in cost. My co-founder and CTO, Long, has built machine learning models that analyze millions of transactions for outliers and design data pipelines that scale to tens of billions of requests per month. Our industrial advisor, Pi, has C-suite level experience of 30 plus years across multiple industries. Our enterprise sales advisor, Matthias, has built bootstrapped companies that is fast becoming the new standard for performance marketing, and he has himself built sales engines for multiple millions in ARR. We also have teams dedicated to machine learning, analytics, and business development in Singapore, Vietnam, India, and the Philippines. We are raising 2.4 million for the next phase of our growth. At this stage, our aim is for 40% of the solar manufacturing companies to be using FireVisor product and to acquire our first 20 customers in semiconductors, electronics, and automotive before our Series A for multi-vertical expansion. If you want to build self-aware factories of the future, come talk to us. Thank you.